Lucian, it's over here. It's on the table. Look. It's on the table. Come here. Come on, get your water. It's over here on the table. Here. Take a sip of water. You don't want any? Okay, put it in. Put it on the shelf. 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 Don't smack the shelf. Put the water on the shelf.
Move the high chair.
Come on, put the water on the shelf. Put it on the shelf, Lucian. No. Come on, you know how to do this. No.
He's okay. Let him climb in there. See what he does. Just don't let him grab the pitcher of water.
Raspberries?
Did I get in it?
No, you did good.
Thanks, I tried my best.
Put the water on the shelf. Oh, stand it up straight. No, stand it up straight. Come on, stand it up straight.
Whoa.
Lucian, stand the
He's
door up.
trying to get in.
Stand it up. Okay. Come out. Now shut the door. Lucian, shut the door.
This is hilarious.
Shut the door.
Whoa.
Lucian. Come on. Alright, hold on. You want some raspberries?
Mom, let's see that video.
Hold on.
He's like, where did you come from? The tail came off. Whoa.
Wow.